Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Beautiful, vivid black bike with a 103 motor and a 6-speed transmission. Rider floorboards, got an engine guard up here on the front, heavy-duty oil cooler. All this looks good down here around the axle, brake rotors. Got an excellent tire on the front. Just a few tiny little signs here on the front fender of maybe where a rock, a pebble or two flipped up there on it. 2014's got the flow through the windshield or through the fairing vent that you can open and close back here on this side. Also got a place here for your MP3 player. They don't put CD players in these anymore. It does have a AM/FM stereo, touch screen, full instrumentation. It's got 1,980 miles on it. Electronic cruise control. Right off and let you give it a listen. Runs pretty quiet. It's got the factory exhausts. We ran it through our shop and checked it out. It doesn't need anything. It's ready to ride. It's got the one-handed bag latch on it now. That makes it real easy to get in and out of the bags. Air adjustable shocks back here. Excellent tire on the rear, just a little over 1,000 miles. It's not worn hardly at all. Bike's just now starting to get broke in. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Online to see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this Street Glide to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.